Hi, it's Tim Panton here. Just wanted to show you what I'd managed to build with the Magpie. This is the AOI project that was on the Magpie of May, and it's this box which has a speaker and a Raspberry Pi in it. And I thought it would be interesting, and so this is the Made by You with Google project that they shipped. And it's a speaker with a box and a button and a Raspberry Pi. So I did that, and I thought it would be interesting to build an internet appliance with it. I wasn't particularly interested in the AI aspect for the moment. I thought it would be interesting to build something much simpler. So what this box is it's a podcast player for the elderly. So it has a single button on it, which basically allows you to skip podcasts that you're not interested in. We preload a list of podcast sources that we want to play. And then when you switch it on, after it's booted up, which takes a minute or so, it will start playing the relevant podcast. And if you don't like that particular podcast, you can skip it.
This is the BBC.
With the button on the top. So this is, I believe, Tweet of the Day.
I was volunteering at...
So there's a man talking about birdsong. If that isn't what we fancy today, then we just press the button.
Hello, Jenny Murray, welcoming
and we get Woman's Hour.
Thursday's edition of the Woman's Hour podcast.
Or alternatively...
Hi, this is Jane Garvey, and thank you for downloading this edition of the Woman's Hour Parenting podcast, which is...
So,
hi, this is Jane Garvey.
There you go, you have a single application device that does exactly one thing well for the elderly. So there you go.
Good morning. Little doubt that the Prime Minister...
Now, there's a little minor additional feature, which is I want to be able to remotely add podcasts for my elderly relative. So if they suddenly say, well, I'd actually like to hear In Touch or something, I want to be able to do that. So I have remote access to it using the Pipe software. So I can click on this image, and I now get a shell into that Raspberry Pi from wherever I am in the world. But it's specifically encrypted end-to-end, and it uses strong PKI, using strong authentication end-to-end using the Pipe technology. So I can change the list of podcasts if I chose to. If you're interested in this, drop me a message on Twitter. I'm Steely-Glint, and I'll be happy to share the code with you. It's actually on GitHub at the moment, so be happy to share the code with you and talk through how we did it. Thank you.